Hi everyone. Today I will tell you a story about Adam Islam's sons called Qabil and Habil, which in English are known as Cain and Abel. There is also a crow in the story as well. So let's begin. So Qabil and Abil grew up, and Habil grew up, and they needed to have a wife. So Allah made the rules. Qabil could marry Habil's sister and Habil could marry Qabil's sister. Habil liked the idea, but Qabil did not. He wanted to marry his own sister and not Habil's sister. That's because Qabil's sister was beautiful, but Allah's rules stopped him. And the merciful Allah made a challenge for the two brothers. So Allah ordered them to bring their best kind of animal or plant they raised. So Habil gave his best animal, and Qabil gave it his worst grain. So then a big fire came, and Habil's sacrifice was accepted. Qabil became really angry, and Shaitan's words came to his heart. And Shaitan said, "Kill Habil." And Qabil followed Shaitan's advice. One day he came to Habil and he threw a stone at his head and he died. This was the first crime ever recorded on earth. But then he realized that he should have not hurt Habil. Habil was really worried about his brother. He didn't want Adam salam and Eve to know about Habil's death, so he went to hide him. He did not know where to hide him. He thought about the river, but everybody would see him. He thought about putting it in the middle of nowhere. Everybody would still see him. He was running a lot, and he was too tired to try running much farther. Then Allah sent a crow and another crow to fight, and one crow killed the other crow, and the crow started digging a hole. Qabil closely watched, and then he put the dead crow into the hole and he put the dirt in it. Qabil realized that's how he was supposed to do to Habil. He thought, how could I not be that smart as a crow? So he went and he buried his brother Habil. The end.